Team Hard Life, Captain Alberto Zertuche here. All right, so we've got some more AVETs in. We've got a lot of customers that have been coming through and helping us grow. So let's see what we got in today. Got a bunch of goodies in this one. Alright. Let's see. Got some reel covers. And got some more reels down here. Oh man, these little fronts that keep coming through. Been bringing in some allergens big time. 1, 2, and 3. All right. So we got some kind of LX right here. Nice. Got an LX black raptor. There's one. Got a green LX right here. Another green LX. Looking great. Got a blue Essex. Oh yeah. So there we go. Got 3 more LXs and 1 MXL. I said Essex, I don't know why I said that. I noticed, I don't know if y'all caught on to that the other day when I was talking about the reels. Had a lot on my mind with everything going on, but right now we've got the MXL and the 3 LXs. We got to get these, actually all 3 of these spooled up for a customer, plus this green one. So we got a lot more spool up videos with the 80-pound test coming very soon. So, let's do this. The MXL Raptor, the LX Raptors, and a black SX, or LX.